you measure at 6'10", which is the standard depth, and then you put your pencil mark there, and then the liners that come with the stuff is 90mm, so you measure back 90mm, and then put another pencil mark, and then that gives you the depth of the product. Measure between your wall and your own panel for your floor liner. That's 24.48. With your floor liner, have a minimum of 6 fixings and spread them rough it evenly along the length of your liner. And next, level your floor liner so it's nice and level, so that your doors don't roll as well. Next, you just screw your liner once it's levelled into position.